Sunil. Thank you, ma'am.
So it's over to you now, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing well. Let me see from where I can. Have to in the full screen. Okay. Hope you are doing well, everyone. Kashish Kaur, Tushar, Shivaji, Dipanshu, hope you are all doing well and have learned Python, and many more. 95 students have joined, and I'm not, they are replying, so I'm not able to recognize their name. So a very warm welcome to all to the session of Network X. Then in the upcoming session, we are going to have the Django. We are going to make a website also using the Python framework, that is the Django. We will be learning day by day. Today we have the concept of Network X. Okay, how we use Network X package in Python. So everyone having a basic knowledge of Python, and I think they are the masters now in data science, hopefully. Okay, so I will start with the presentation. It will be an interactive session, so I will be asking questions also, and you have to respond it through your chat box. So I'm moving further. Okay, hope you can see my presentation. Let me see if I can. I cannot see it now. I have to open the full screen for seeing the chat box always. Okay, it's okay. So network analysis with Network X. This is the package. Network X is the package which is being used in the Python. So I would like to ask a question that in which ID you are working till now? Which ID? Jupyter or Anaconda or Spider, or which of the platform you are using, or Idle or PyCharm? Okay, you are working on the Jupyter. Okay, Jupyter notebook. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. Okay. PyCharm, Muskan. Okay, Muskan, good. Anaconda, Aman, Anshika. Okay. See, as you know, there are different platforms to work on there, and they have the same and one and the same things you can perform in that. So I will be using the Spider framework, okay, Spider ID using Anaconda. Okay. Does not create any problem if you are using the Anaconda. You can run that simple codes in Jupyter also, or in PyCharm also. But tomorrow onwards, I will be making your project on the Django. You will be making a website. So for that, I will be using the PyCharm, because PyCharm give a very good framework for developing the website. Okay. In Jupyter, some folders are missing. You have to go every time. So we will be switching on to the PyCharm for the Django. But if comfortable with Jupyter, you can go on with that only. I don't have any problem with that. Okay, just you have to practice it and make a website, a simple website. We are going to create it with the database tomorrow onwards. But today there is a topic of Network X. So moving on with that, a network is, what is a network? It's a simple collection of points joined together in pair by lines. Or what we can say that a network is general but powerful means of representing patterns of connections. What does a network actually does? It gives us the connections. It gives us the pattern of connections, how they are connected with each other. What different parts of systems are being connected. So we can have different networks, data networks, air traffic networks, telecommunication networks, shipping networks. There are different type of networks we can study on. Okay, these are the examples, basic example. Even though you can study the friendship network in your college. How many friends are there interconnected with each other? You have some friends and other friends have some other friends. So what is the interconnectivity of that network? You can study that also using this package. So where it can be applied? Where it can be applied? Almost anywhere. Wherever you can think that this network can be applied. It can be applied in the, say, nowadays COVID-19 is spreading. So you can, we are also doing that. We are taking a network, how it is spreading from one place to another. Okay, how we are creating a network, the disease. We can study the spread of the disease also using this network. We can have the physics interaction also. We can create the robust infrastructure, electricity, telecommunication networks also using this. We can have technology networks, cyber terrorism network. So these are the different types of networks we can study on. Some of the data sets are freely available on the website. You can simply download and work on it. I will be telling you how to work on that using the data sets which are freely available on the website. So you can create the nervous system, neural networks, medicines for that. These are the just a basic knowledge that how we can apply this network package. Hope it's been clear. So I want you cannot annotate, no? Okay. Okay. Then I want that in graph theory, the network is called in the chat box, please. In a graph theory, the network is called. If we talk about network, so what it is called in the graph theory? Please, all in the chat box. I want your response in the chat box, please. I don't want that, okay, I will be speaking, you will be listening. I will be also speaking and you are going to respond to my questions. So please, everyone can listen. My voice is audible. Okay, Ashwani, Shiva, Jyoti, Shejal. Thank you, Aman, Tamanna. Now you can respond to me. What is a network called in the graph theory? I want your answer also, beta. What did you call topology? Maybe. Okay, so the Anshu, good try. I want everyone, come on fast. Free Tamanna. Okay, good. I want another one. Just try yourself. I don't want the exact answer. I want that you should interact with me. Yes, Tamanna, it can be a tree also. So the Anshu, topology. Okay. I want everyone. I don't want the right answer. I'm not here to get the right answer. I'm here to teach you even though. So you can answer anything. I'm ready for that. Only 2 students from 96. Okay, come on. It's not justifying your presence. Kashish, Persh, Ramesh, please answer anything. What can be in graph theory a network can be called? Tanesh, Khushi, Jaya. Okay, Tushar, good. Roots, it can be roots also. Threads also, Aman, good. Everyone, come on fast. Very good. Apple. Okay. And any. I want you to answer it. Beta, it doesn't matter. Okay. Sets of nodes connected by branches. Good, Aman. Nice answer. Bhavya, nodes. Okay. You are responding good. You are in the track only, reaching to the point. I want many more. Come on, faster. Come on. I want Khushi answer, Dipanshu, Shejal, Jyoti. I want your answer also. What is this connected? Okay, Vishaka. It's a server client connect, but we are talking about the graph theory. Mesh set of nodes. Good, very good. Set of nodes. Achha, what it is Ramesh called? Set of nodes connected by branch. What it is called? Ramesh has written set of nodes connected by branch. A tree. Okay, another name. If they are all connected, then it will be a. If all the nodes and vertices are connected, then it will be a topology. Okay, or a simple graph. Thank you for your response. Well done, and hats off to everyone who were responding to me. Everyone whose name I have put on, everyone has responded to me. Thank you, dear, and I want everyone to participate in this. Okay. It is called a graph. Basically, the nodes and the branches, when they are interconnected, they form a graph. The graph can then be a tree also, then further distribution. Then can it the graph, particular graph can be a star topology also. Okay, these are the branches of the graph. Okay, so in a network, when we talk about in the graph theory, it is called a graph. Okay, collection of vertices joined by edges. Branches you were saying that the branches are called edges. Okay, in the graph theory, vertices and edges. Computer science is node and links. Physics is its site and bonds. And sociology is its actor and ties. Okay, this is the network representation. So how a basic graph look like? We have some nodes. These are called vertices. And they are connected with each other, or one to node can be disconnected also. So these edges are called the edges. Hope it's been clear. And this whole is called a graph. Okay. Hope it's been clear. The every vertices are being connected to this will be a connected graph. Okay. If I remove this edge, if I remove this edge, so then it, and I remove this edge also, then it will be a disconnected graph, because there will be two graphs, 1 and 2, and no edges are being connected. So this will be a disconnected graph. So it's being clear to everyone. Any doubts till now? In the chat box, if you have any. If you are clear with the procedure, then have, okay, Tushar, no, okay, okay, Shejal, Tashwini, okay, good, good, if you don't have any doubt. Okay, moving further with that, what I have explained till now, okay, the edges, vertices, and it can have self edge also. The edge, what is the self edge? When the vertex have an edge representing itself only. When we travel to the edge vertices and we reach back to that vertices, that is called a self edge. Okay, hope this is being clear to everyone. So what does 1 and 0 resemble here? If we have 1 value and 0 value, what it does resemble? Like I have 1, I have 2 vertices. Okay, I am making it directed, or you can make it undirected also. What is directed and undirected? If we are having arrow, then it will be directed. Directed means we have some directions. And if we don't have any directions, then will be undirected graph. Okay, hope it's been clear. So if we have any edge, we writing 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 say 1 mein jane. You are actually, I would ask one question, that you are comfortable with English, or I should mix English Hindi, or I should go on with the English only. I want everyone. If you have any problem with the English, or I should speak the Hindi, or English Hindi is okay. Both, ma'am. Okay, okay, okay. That's I forgot, because basically I use English only, so that's why I asked you. Okay, Jay. Okay, beta. Sartak. Okay, fine with both. Okay. So nice of you. Okay. So from 1 to 1 node, is there any path? क्या कोई path है? क्या हम पहुंच सकते हैं 1 से 1 तक? No, we cannot reach. So we will make it at 0. 1 to 2, yes, we can reach. So we will have an edge. That means it has been 1 value. 2 to 1 will be 1. There is an edge for reaching from 2 to 1. And then 2 to 2, there is no edge. 0. So this is the specification of 1 and 0 when we can mark it. So now moving exactly, these were the base about using network X. There should be in any base. What is the network? What we are going to do? What are the edges? What are the nodes? What are the vertices? What is 1, 0? When it works like these, all I wanted to tell you before I start network X. This was the base to start with the network X. Okay. And can anyone can respond that while I'm teaching, my video is also coming? Can anybody? When I'm sharing my screen, the video you can see also. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Kushi. Thank you, Tamanna. Thank you, Aman. Okay. Okay. Moving on to the further, what is the network X package? So we have seen that where it is being used, where we use network X to how to work on that, we will be seeing. The basic, it is being clear that we have some network, can be technological networks, We can have a network. So suppose if we talk about any college, at the college, but a CSIO, I'm working in CSIO, CSIR in 30 sector. So if I have to lay down a network line in my whole campus, so I will create a network of that. Okay, I will study that network. So how can I make that network? We can make with this NetworkX package. We can analyze that. So introduction to NetworkX, why we are Python using Python. Everyone knows Python use less line of codes and it's like English language, and we can easily work on that. So you can read it after when I give you the slide. What are the NetworkX tickets? Basically, the package is meant for creation. You can see it is meant for creation, manipulation, and study of structure, dynamic function of complex network. If what it means ki when we want to study the complex network, then we go if you want to create a complex number or we have to analyze any complex number, then we use the NetworkX package. So basically data structure we have learned ki what it is representing graphs. We will be dealing with the graphs, and its first release was in April 2005. So design requirements. What are the design requirements? Tool to study the structure and dynamics of social biological infrastructure networks. It's it ease of use. We can use it very easily, easy to learn, open source, and interface to existing code. The codes are very easy. You can execute it at once. So before that, moving on further, I would like one question more. You are aware of traveling salesman problem, breadth first search? Aware of. I don't know, you know hardly by that. Okay? I just want you are aware of traveling salesman, Dijaxtra, or Singapore shortest. Okay. Okay, it's no problem with Devanshu. Okay, okay, Meher. Okay. So you are from, anyone can tell me you are of the, which branch and which year? Okay, Vishaka. Okay, okay, okay. It's no problem. I will be telling you then. Okay. CSE, which branch, Bhavya? Okay, CSE first year. BTech only. Okay, second semester. Okay, okay, okay. So you will be learning this. You are all BTech students. Starting in which college? UIT only? Okay, great, 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 great. Okay, CCET. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So nice. Okay, Ashvi, Shreya, Kat. All are attentive in my class. That's good. Hats off to everyone. Okay, CCET. Okay. So I would like that you also write the code first, then we will having some practical session of that. Okay, I want that you write side by side. So if you have any doubts in between, I can help you. Tick. I will go. This is an Anaconda. You can open the Jupyter also, but I am moving on to the Spider. Create. Take some. Till then, I can make you learn the code. How we can use the code. So a question to all. If I want to use any package in Python, then what is the keyword? If I want to, again, I'm repeating. Okay, Shreya, Bhavya, Vishakha, Meher. Okay, okay, good, 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 good. Kalpana, Muskan, Vishar, Jyoti. It's an import. Import is the keyword. Ma'am, is there in difference? We use Jupyter and let me. Or PyCharm maybe. No, Khushi might be I joined late. I have told it before also. There is no difference in that. You can use any platform. It's just of an easiness you can say. Okay, okay, beta. Thank you. So everyone has told me to use any package. We use import keyword. Okay. Anyone can tell me what is that as is doing here? In the code, you can see. Okay, Shreya, hats off. Right answer. Anybody else? Okay, Ashwani, right answer. Kashish. Okay, Shivam, Anum, during the beginning of module. Okay, Giving short name. Okay. That is called an alias. ठीक है? Alias. जैसे आप सबका nickname होता है ना? For easy to write. Okay, Kalpa. But basically, it is as is called alias. That is nickname. As everyone have their nickname. So if you want to if you want to call me, you can provide me a nickname. That is easy to speak. So same as that this much. When we will be using this network X package, we will be calling is at NX. Okay? Achha, how we can know that this is a function? If we are using any function, how we can identify this is a function? Come on in the chat box. How you can identify that this is a function? Good, Shivam. Very nice. Shivam has answered correctly. I want everyone. Come on fast. Okay. Okay, Chahat, Dipanshu, Kashish, Ashwini, Vishakha, Shezal. Okay, right to everyone. By seeing this brackets, round brackets, we can, okay, Tamanna, Sarthak, Tushar. Good. By seeing this round brackets, we can easily identify this is a function. So what function we are using of the NX package? Graph function. So everything we are dealing with the graph. Okay. So the basic data types we have already studied. We will all be dealing in the graph itself. Okay. So this first line, what it is doing, it is importing network X from network. It is importing network X package. Then it's using the function, graph function. Then there is another function called add node. What it is doing, add node, suppose add node is creating this node, or we can call it another way, that it is creating a vertex 1. Okay, it's creating one vertex. If I'm adding that G add nodes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means please add these all nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If I use G dot nodes, it will be displaying all the nodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope it's being clear to everyone. So we will be doing it practically also. You have the copy pen with you. Write the nodes. Yes, write every notes in your copy, because I'm saying that I have also my copy with me, because that copy I'm going to see every time. I'm not going to able to see the PPT every time, and it's not a good habit. We doesn't see every time the PPT. We make notes. That is better, easy for the future. So make the notes also. Write the codes, at least the codes. If you don't want to write any theory in that, it doesn't need any problem, create any problem. You can write the code as well. You can write the code and write with the comment. How to comment in Python? How to use comment in Python? Very nice, so nice. Okay, Shreyashvi. How to use multiple? If I want to, hash is used for single line comment. Okay, Shreyash has already responded that. Okay. Such a good audience. What a wonderful student I'm having. They're responding so fast. Okay, Kushi, Meher, Muskan. Okay, very nice. It's good that you have learned a lot in these sessions. Good. So use a good programmer also always use comment. So when you write any code, use the comment to write that what it is doing. Is my speed normal? Everyone, is my speed normal? Because I usually teach so fast. Okay. Okay, Tushar Meher. Okay. If anybody feels that I'm moving forward very faster, you can type in the chat box, ma'am, you are faster. Okay? But I'm trying to match your speeds. Okay. Thank you, Jyoti. Thank you, Shivam. So we will be having the network X and performing the basic one. Okay. So we have seen how to create a graph. Just now, we have only add the nodes. Nothing else. We didn't have added any edges between that. We have created 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nothing else. Okay. So this is for the importing the packages. Then we have used the graph function. Then we have created a graph. This graph is having no node. This G is null, having nothing. So in G we are adding nodes. We are adding node 1, 2, 3. Let me run this also set of codes. Okay. If you want to make it, suppose if you want that you make it cell. So you can make the cell as you made in Jupyter now, you can make it here also. In Jupyter, you can directly write and create a cell. But if you want to create a cell in the Spider, there is a command #$. So now this will be a cell. You can execute it by enter. So I can, or if I can control, select it and press F9, then it also going to be run. So I am pressing this. Okay, you can see the graph is being created with node 1, 2, 3. Everyone is able to see the graph is being created 1, 2, 3. Hope it's being clear. Good, fair enough. Okay. Now, just now I have told what does this from do. Just now, please in the chat box. I've just now told that G add nodes from, what does it do? I want in the chat box, what does it do? If I run this line of code, if I run creating nodes from this. Okay, Shivam, good. Okay, Ashwani, Shreya, Shudhanshu. Multiple nodes, Shreyan's good. Creating nodes from list. Add a list of nodes, Ekant. Okay, very nice. Evanshi, add nodes to graph. Yes, it's add nodes from which number to which number? Retrieve data from list for node. Good, Nimrat. Kushagra, creating nodes to graph. Okay, list of nodes, Shiva. Okay, okay. Perfect, fine. It is fine that everyone knows that what it does. We have 1, 2, 3 nodes. Now it's going to create 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now if I press 21, what will be the output? If I press 21, 22 line, what will be the output? I want the output. I don't want the English words. I want the, if I run this, what will be in my console window? Okay, Jyoti? Oh, okay, Tavishi. Okay, good, nice. Tavishi answer is right. Shivam, okay. Okay. I want the exact output. You are typing 127. No, I don't want, I want the exact output. Okay, good, Shreyash. So check your answers. Node view 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you can have this. Okay. Next is if I want to edge. If I want an edge between 1 to 2. So I will, what is the function to add the edge? Add underscore edge. What's the function? Add underscore edge. And I'm adding an edge between 1 and 2. Okay. Then I'm going to add edge between 1 and 3, 4 and 6, 5 and 4, 4 and 7. Okay. I can add the edge like this also. I can use 2, 3 as in sets. Then I can add this in the add. You can have this like this also, or you can directly use it. It's another way of using it. Okay. Or you can have this also. These are the another ways of using. This is the first way, second way, and this is the third way. We can have add edge from list also, and we can have assign multiple edges, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 3 to 6, and multiple if you want to. We can have this. And if I want to show the every edges which we have created, there is a function called G got edges. You can see every edges. What is the graph being connecting? The edges are there. All edges can be displayed here. So, okay, fine. Move further. How we can have the number of edges? If I want to have the number of function called number of edges. Number of nodes and number of edges. Now we have seen we have created 1 to 7 nodes. So number of counts will be 1 to 7. Now from the number of edges, we have created 7 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see this edges. So it's giving me the 7 edges. Write it down. I'm giving you 1 minute to write down the codes. If you directly want to write in the Jupyter, no, here len function will not work, Vishaka. Len is for the list, tuples, but here it will not work. So I want to tell you that please write this code fast. You can write on the Jupyter notebook directly also if you don't have any problem. I will be giving 1 minute to write it down. I don't want to make my pace too high that everyone have the jumbled mind after the class. I want everyone should learn everything. So write it down. Unless and until you will not write, you will not gain anything. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. You can write it down. Everyone is writing. Type Y if you're writing. Okay, Shejal, Tavishi, Bhavya, Kushagra, Shiva, Muskan, Tushar. Okay, thank you, beta. Okay. Shreyansh, Aman, Shivam, Jyoti, I will learn the name also of many of my students. Aman, Tushar, Dipanshu. Good. You write it down, so then I write what. Okay, thank you, beta. Let's start. Moving forward, I will be asking the questions at end, so be alert. What I'm teaching right now, I will be asking some of the questions from this. I want to remove any edges. If I want to remove the edges from node 2, I will be making you see what I'm telling you. Suppose we have created the graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have 7 edges also. As we have created, I don't know which edges it is connected or disconnected. I'm not knowing. Assign it randomly. Okay. Now, if I want to remove the edges from this, I want to remove this edges. So what can I do? If I want to remove this edges, so what I have to remove? Please in the chat box. Explain line 32. Okay, Vishaka. When I'm going back to the codes, I will be explaining you. Vishaka disconnect. Okay. What I have to do? If I want to delete, I want to remove it. Now, rightly now, Vishaka, it is being connected. It is being connected. I know that I am seeing that it is being connected. So if I want to remove the edges, then what I have to do? Remove edge, remove 1, 2, remove this. Okay. Another way for that, if I want to remove these both edge, what I can do? Okay, Shreyash, you have seen the code. Okay. Oh, remove function. Okay, good. Simply what I will do, Pragati has told me, ma'am, please remove this node 2. If I remove this node 2, then the edges will be also be removed. If I remove this, the edges will be also be removed. Thank you, Pragati, for telling me, ma'am, please remove the node 2. Kritika also, Tisha. Okay, okay. Dipanshu also. Okay, so I will remove the edges from the 2. Pragati has told me I have removed. So if I remove this, now if I tell this, you can see it's node view. We have to see the edge view. I will see the edge. I will not have to see the nodes. I want to see the edge. You can see the remove edge from 2. Second, 2, 3 is being removed. Let me check it. Okay. Now, if I want to remove, you can see with that before also there will be 5, 6, 7 only. It's not working. If I want to remove the edges, I can simply write 1, 3. If I write this, you can see the 1, 3 edge will be removed from here. There was 1, 3. Now there will be no 1, 3 here. Now, if we want degrees, okay. I will be moving further. Then I will be telling you about the degrees. What are the degrees? Till now, okay. See, we have done this. We have added the edges also. We have seen the edges also. No doubt still now, hopefully, we have done this. We have created a graph. Okay. I want you all to create a graph like this. Come on fast. I will be giving you 2 minutes to do this. You have to create a graph which looks like this. You're able to see my screen, everyone? You have to create this graph. Come on fast. It's consisting of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. The node name should be like this only. The same graph. When we draw this graph, it should look like this only. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Fast, you have to do it. The function you all knows. All of you know the function to add the layers, to add the vertices. Come on, right now, doing fast. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Do it. When you are done with this, add in the chat box, I'm done. It was not working. I can't, it was not working actually. That's why I've stopped that. I have removed that. It's not working actually. It should be remove nodes from 2 means it's remove edges from 2 should be there only. There is some misprint in the code. That's why I'm not going on with that again. Okay. You draw this diagram so I can resolve that problem, why it was not working. Okay, you draw this diagram in your copy, this graph, so I can minimize the window and see my code for that account and Tanish. Okay, I will be making you Tanish show the codes. First of all, you write this. You have to create a graph like this only. The edges should be connected like this only. Everything should be like it. I will be showing how to draw it. When you run that code for drawing, it should look like this only. Everyone has drawn? Now write the code for that. Giving you 10 seconds more. Okay, Shreya has sent me the code. Good, Shreya. Good one. Okay. I want the code on the screen. In the chat box, I want this code. Shreya has only sent me the code. Shreya, add import also. Import line also. Okay, Shreyansh has also sent me the code. Good. Only 2 students have sent me. Okay, Tavishi, Chahat. So everyone has created it. Now I'm moving on to my further codes. Let me see what was the error. I will be seeing that. So before that, I will be telling you the degrees fundamentals. Okay, I will be waiting for everyone. I have to take whole class in that. Only 10 or 15 students have responded. I want everyone to respond it. Till then, I should. Okay, Shezal has also given, Kushagra also. Okay. Now we are going to learn the another concept. Okay, come back everyone to the screen. Back to the screen. Okay, back to the screen, everyone. You know what this matrix represent. I have told you. Okay, I have told you what this matrix represent. Can anybody tell me? This is not. I can write it for the further easy of yours. I can label it also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can 5 notes. You can see 5 notes. So anybody can tell me what is the degree of 2? What is the degree of note 2? If you are familiar with the degree words, if anybody can tell me, okay, Tavishi has, Shezal has, okay, good. It means you all know the degree words. Okay, Dipanshu, Koshagra. Degree means there are 2 type of degree, in degree and out degree. That only we can tell when there is a directed graph, in and out degree. But overall degree, when there is undirected graph, there is no direction. If you want to tell the degree, we can see how many vertices, how many edges are being connected with 2. We can count 1, 2, and 3. You can see the vertex 2 have the 3 edges. So degree will be 3. Or you can see from here also 1, 2, and 3. The 1 has 1, 3 has 1 degree, 4 has 2 degree, and 5 has 1 degree. Hope it's being clear to everyone. You can see the degree. You can see the degree here also. Total degree is 8. How we can see the degree in a program? We can have directly a degree function to see the degree of that. It will tell the individual degree. 1 has 1, 2 has 3, 3 has 1, 4 has 2, 5 has 1. These are the vertices and these are the degree. And if you want to see a particular node degree, then it is a function g degree particular node. Let me run this. Remove nodes from to it. I'm removing nodes from to it. Let me run this. Node is also not being removed. Remove edges from the not enough values to impact. Expected to got 1. I will be running this afterwards, seeing it what is the error coming out. Okay, I will be removing this. I will be telling this. Okay, I will be commenting this. I will be telling you all this. So how to tell that? Check the degrees. We have just learned that degree function is there. You can have the degree. You can see 1 has 1 degree, 2 has 2, and the further degrees of the 7 nodes. Then if you want to have the particular node of degree of 2, then we can write the degree 2. We will get the degree of 2. If you want to only know the out degree of that, we can have, okay, I haven't passed any node. कि किसकी आपको देखनी है out degree. Out degree will work only when we have the directed graph. But just now it is undirected graph. We will check how to check the graph is directed or not directed. We will be checking that. Okay. This is not working. You can see it. When we run out degree, what it's showing an error because this graph is undirected graph. Now, how to plot the graph? Everyone has created a graph that they are going to plot just now and see what is the output matches with what I have shown or not. So if you want to plot graphs, you have learned visualization also. Now you mentioned 2 in codes. Okay, yeah, let me have this. Thank you, Vishaka. Let me check that also. Where the note is at home. Okay. No, it's not. No, it's not working. I will tell you that Vishaka might be have some problem of codes. I will be seeing that. Okay. Any more comments from everyone? We need to use Jira remotes from this. Okay. Okay, Shreya has given me a code. I will be working on that. Okay. ठीक है बेटा. Let me try Shreya's code also. It's not working, Shreya. This code is also not working. Okay, it should be known. Okay, it's working fine for this. We have to create a list, and if we remove the nodes, so it should be removed too here. It's running perfectly. Thank you, Shreya. We haven't typed the index value of that. We have to pass the index value. Okay, that's what the
Participants, am I audible? Please write in the chat box. Yes or no? Okay. So I think there might be some problem at experts end. I'll call her and let you people know. So Miss Urvashi, can you hear me? Urvashi, are you there? Okay, so participants, ma'am has some network problem over there. So she will be joining again in a minute or two. So kindly wait for her to join. Yes, Kamaldeep, there is no audio from expert side. I already told all the participants that she is having some networking problem at her end. She will be joining back in a minute, so kindly wait.
I think I'm connected now.
Yes, ma'am, you are
Actually, some
audible.
network issue was there. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Now I'm connected with the mobile network. So might be it will be disconnected. I don't know, but I'm connected with that. I have switched off my video also.
Okay.
I will try with the Wi-Fi also if it being connected. Okay, Kash. Okay.
Okay. So you
I was asking that which function is used to I was asking that which function is used to plot the graph, or for the visualization, which function is being used. I was asking. Show, okay, Vishaka. I want function or packages. Which package actually we use? Okay, good. Shreya, Vishaka, Vishal, good, good, good. Matplotlib. So, plot we use Matplotlib library. Okay, we use Matplotlib package, and in that we use PyPlot. Okay, PyPlot is the class name, and we are going to use that as PLT. I can hear some voice. Okay. Okay. So we are using it as a PLT. If I have to draw any the graph, I will use DRAW, that is draw. Let me run this. You can see what is going to be the output. Here you can see in the spider, there is a tab called plot. We can see the plot there also. Okay? Or we can, if I don't want to see the plot here, I can unmute this. Okay, I can see here also. If I run this again, you can see I can see the graph here. It's for the betterment I use this. So I have, can see the code also. So I'm using here. Okay. If I want to show the labels also, then I run this. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. The graphs are seeing the labeled also. Okay. Then vertices are being labeled. If I use with labels is equal to 1. Please write it down. If I wanted to create a digraph, I will use digraph, digraph. I will also draw this. Okay, the edges I have assigned. Oh, it's not connected to the diagram. You can see the edge view also. Write the code fast. I'm giving you time. I will be showing you another code then. Out degree tell us the it will be working. I will be showing you in the directed graph when we'll be working on the directed graph now in an out degree. I will be showing you there. Die is nothing directed graph. I'm creating a directed graph for G. Hope you are done with that. Moving on further. In and out degree. Now it's going to be clear. In and out degree. What are in and out degree? Anushka, now it will be clear in that. So the in degree is the ingoing edges connected to a vertex, and the out degree is the outgoing edges connected to a vertex. So how to create a path? Path is nothing. The connected of the sequence of vertices connected in a consecutive pair. You are going to see this also. How to calculate the length of the network? We have already seen how to traverse the length. Okay, let me show you the. First, I'm going to show you the complete graph. What is the complete graph, everyone? What is the complete graph? What is the complete graph? Okay, Tamanna, I will be showing you. It's like that or not. Let me check. Might be outdated. Okay. Tamanna, you are right. What is the complete graph? I want everyone. Complete graph. The word only say the meaning of that. Complete graph. Kalpana has also answered. Okay, Vishaka has also answered. Okay. Yes, Kashish. All nodes connected to each other. Graph with all nodes and edges shown. Okay. Okay, Sudhanshu. Complete graph, I will let you know what is complete graph. We are going to make a complete graph of edge. There will be node of 10. Okay, I will be having the 10 nodes in the graph. 10 nodes will be start from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3 to 9. If I want to have the edges, we have the edges list. We will be having the connection. I will be showing you in the word what is actually the complete graph. 1, 2, 3, 4. All edges are connected to each other. Hope every edges is being connected. Yes, this is the complete graph of 4 edges. Now we are going to make the complete graph for 10 edges. Okay, we can have another function also for number of nodes, G dot order and size for the edges. You can write this one. This can be an interview questions. How we can get the number of nodes. So using G dot order, we can also get the number of nodes. And how we can get the number of size, Z dot size. Okay, the graph name dot size. Show previous codes of direct code or connected to each. Anushka, which previous code? The this one. Anushka, this one code. This code. Anushka, this code you are asking for. You're not replying, Anushka. Before matplotlib. Okay. The out degree, this one. Before, this is matplotlib. Done that, Anushka? Should I move? Oh, done with move on? Okay, we were talking about the number of nodes and using this. Okay, Now write it down. You can see the code I have executed. Now if I draw this, you can see complete graph of 10 vertices. This is the complete graph. Each vertices are being connected to each other. I want the code for the complete graph of 20 vertices. Question for you all. Complete graph for 20 vertices. Please draw it fast. What will be the code for the 20 nodes graph? In the chat box, please fast. It should not create any time. I want the response if you are able to hear me. Okay. Okay, Ashwani. Okay. Good, Chahat, Ashwini. It's all answers are correct. Good. Similarly, if you want to have the 100 vertices, you can make the graph for the 100 vertices. Okay, it's showing black because there are too many edges in that. That's why it's seeing like that. It's a bipartite graph. It seems like an that is it's like looking like an star. You will be studying what is bipartite graph in your further studies. Now moving on with the in and out degrees to tell you. Okay. How to calculate if I'm created I have to create a diagraph for having the end diagram. Diagram is directed degree. Okay, I have diagram. You can see the I have added that part also. Okay, this is the list I have created. I'm showing you. I have run this program line by line. I have created a diagram. I have added a path from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have added the path. So the end degree of 0, I want to see this is 0. No incoming edges are there on 0. If I want to see the incoming edges on 0 and 1, on 0 the end degree is 0, and for the 1 it is 1. Because I will show how this graph looks like. I will show you. Then it will be easy for you to analyze it. Okay, you can see I will label it also, so it will be more clear. You can see it is directed one. It is directed one. You can see a line also in direction. There is a line. Okay, you can see the lines. Hope I'm audible to everyone. Voice is distorted. Now it's clear. Jaya, now the voice is coming. Okay. Okay. It says graph object node. No, it's running perfectly in my code. See, you have imported next network X. So you can see that I have created and added a path 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. The end degree for 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 is 1, 3 is 1. So I have showed some of that. If I want the list of every degree, what I will be showing, I will be getting the list of every degree. Okay, this was the end degree. We can try it for the out degree also. It works it or not. I want to know the out degree of 0. It's 1. Okay, you can see here in the plots the out degree for 0 is 1. Okay, it's connecting with the both 1 vertices. Now hope the doubts of end degree and out degrees are being clear. Which module better? Danshu, which module you want to ask? Okay, I have already told you that if you want to implement some network related algorithm. If you want to implement TSP problem, Dijkstra algorithm, these are the shortest route. I will be telling you the example, practical use. I have already told you the practical use of this. I will be telling you how to implement it. Okay, these are the basics. In the next sessions from the 11:30, which we will be having it's from 12:30 we will be having. So 12:30 we will be having. Then I will be telling you what are the practical exposure, how you can perform it. Okay, Sudhanshu. Till now we are learning the basic of networking, and we have seen where we can perform networking. So we have done this. Okay, in and out degree we are done. Okay, now we have seen the complete graph also. Now if I want the random edges, then we can have a random graph. Okay, there is a function called GNP random graph. We can create the random graph also. I will let you see this. There is a random graph. There is random edges between that. Don't know, just for the experiment, we have created a network. Suppose a network of cities and states, cities and routes. If you have created random edges, so you can use this for your study. Okay, hope it's okay. Write the code. Write down the code. Okay, hope you have done. In and out edges we have already seen. Now we will be going to the setting the subgraph. Setting the subgraph. So these two packages you already know. What we are doing with the line 4 you already know. Now this is some new thing. PLT.figure, figure size. What it is doing? The purpose, you can read it from here also, from my line of code which I have commented. Purpose of using PLT.figure is to create a figure object. We are going to create a figure object. What this figure object is, why we needed the figure object, because it specifies the width and height of a figure. We can adjust the figure, we adjust the graph plotting with as appropriate to our size. Okay, let me run this. We are adding the edges also. We are adding the some edges. Then we are using the subplot function. Actually, subplot function can be done like this also, or you can do this. Okay, actually you can see that it's taking 3 arguments: n rows, n columns, and the index value. Okay, it is taking 3 values. How many of rows and columns you want to make the graph visible. Okay, I'm running this cell. You can see this graph is there. If you remove this, or if you don't want to pass any value, see what is happening. You can see a graph of smaller sizes there. So if you want to increase the size, if I want to use it in 2 rows and 1 column, it should be visible. So I am using this. Okay, graph. Every time you run the graph, the edges will be same. The edges connection will be same, but the graph will look differently. Again, if I run this code, it will look differently, but the number of edges connected will be the same. So now what we are going to do, let me have this look to you. What we are actually going to do, suppose this is the connected graph, or this is any sort of graph. I want a subgraph from this. This is vertex 1, 2, 3, 4. I want this vertex. I want this subgraph of this. So we are running the code of this. Okay, how we get the subgraph. Till now we have only created the original graph. One thing more, one doubts can be there of yours. Ma'am, before that we will be using draw function. Now we are using the draw network X function. Many one have the doubts. Ma'am, why these two functions are used. So basically to have good labeling, titles, and good drawing. Okay, good sort of draw, we use draw network X. Okay, full featured graph. If you want more neighbors, then you can use the draw function. It's simple like that. Okay. So how we are creating the subgraph? We have the function subgraph. We can tell the nodes on which we want to create a subgraph. I want to only create the subgraph using I only want to create the subgraph. I'm audible? Hello, I'm audible, everyone?
Yes, yes, yes. You are audible, Urvashi.
Okay, okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Okay, thank you, students. Now, if I want to create a subgraph using 1, 2, 3, 4 only. So what I'm using the subgraph function, and I'm passing the vertex value in a list. Okay. Now, simple. What we have done, we have used the subplot function. We are using that only, and we are plotting it. Let me run this code. You can see subplot plot of this has been created. Graph which was there priorly, I have created. You can see here. The graph was like this, and now I have taken out this subgraph from this. If I want to analyze this particular area, this much, if I want a particular location, suppose this, I'm taking an example. This is Chandigarh, Punjab, Ludhiana, Haryana, Ambala. This is like that only, and the routes are there. This is whole connection of the India, but I want to study the connection related to the Chandigarh only. So what I will be take the subgraph of that. Okay, it's okay. I'm giving you time. You can write the lines from here. You can write it down fast. After that, we will be moving on to some operations of the graph. Some operations of the graph we will be moving. Write down fast. Any doubts still here? You can ask if you have any doubts. Any one of you having doubts till now, you can ask me. Till everyone is writing. Okay, everyone is busy in writing only. Okay, write fast. Vishaka in degree. What is the doubt, beta? Write down the full doubt. Didn't understand the in degree or how the in degree was functioning, or is explain subgraph again? Okay. Okay, Vishaka. I will be explaining both subgraph and in degree both. Okay, any doubts more? After you write down the codes, I'm going to repeat this both options, both points, both in degree and subgraph. Any other except Vishaka and Shivam? Anyone is having any problem? You can apply no also if you are not having any problem. Just it will be clear to me. Any doubts here? Okay, Shiva, Kavishi. Thank you for responding. Shazal. Okay, thank you. And subplot, we don't have to write the Bhavya, your whole line is that what? I didn't get your question, Bhavya. Acha, comma? Where? We are not writing any comma. We are just creating a list, and I'm passing. You can create a list with the some variables, and you can pass that variable here also. Okay? In subplot, you can use the comma also. You cannot use the comma also. It will run perfectly with both. It will run perfectly with you both. It's just for the convenience we are writing, not using the comma for the easiness of that. Okay, Sarthak, no doubt, Sejal, Shiva. Okay, such a good student. Dipanshu. Okay, Bhavya, now your doubt is being clear now. Okay. So hope everyone has written the code. Now I'm again making you some the concept clear about the and the outline. Okay. Okay, I'm showing you some concept of the in degree and out degree here. So firstly, I will be taking the doubt of the student name Vishaka. Okay, Vishaka. What is in degree, Vishaka? Basically, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the nodes are being connected and it's directed. It's directed. It will work only on the directed graph. Firstly, I'm telling you it should be direct. Okay, so if I want the in degree of 2, so I will see how many edges are coming towards 2. So it will be 1 and 2. The in degree of 2 will be 2. And if I talk about the out degree, so there is no outcoming edges from this, the out degree will be 0. Okay, I hope it's been clear. Now coming back to the code. If I want, I have you can have this with the any type of graph. Okay, you can create diagram and you can add the edges manually also. Okay, you can add the edges manually also. If I click on this, you can see there is in the help. I want to have the got the every information of the graph. You can learn from here also. Okay, what is digraph? It's a base task for directed graph. Okay, it stores nodes and edges, which these are the things you can study afterwards. Or if you have any trouble using that. Okay, so simply I added a path. Then I asked that what are the in degree of this. If I plot this, Vishakha, you can see there is a plot like this. If I ask the in degree of 0, there will be no degree of 0. So it will be giving me the output. If I talk the output degree of 0 and 1, it will be printing 0 and 1. See, the output is there. Yes, 0 and 1 is the output. Similarly, if I want to check the out degree of 0, there will be 1 inches of out degree. Hope it's being clear. Vishaka, your out has been cleared. Okay. Now I would took the doubt of who was that? Shivam. I'm explaining फटाफट मैंने सब graph का overview दे देती हूँ फिर से. So what we done? We have plotted this graph. This is an original graph. We have done nothing with that. We have plotted the graph. You can plot it directly to have a good look and feel, to get it betterment. For that, I am using the plot figure and the subplot function. Okay, for the it should look good and nice. I can have this vertices clearly visible. If I don't use it, you can see the graph will shrink. So I want a proper visualization. That's why I'm using these two things. What I have created, I want this subgraph from this, including vertices 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want these vertices as a subgraph. So what I will do, I will pass a list of vertices and then I will simply make a subgraph from this. See, now hope Shivam it's being cleared. Okay. Tavishi and Shiva, you are writing no, it's no doubt. Okay, okay, beta, it's clear. Now we are moving on to the functions of the network X. See what operations on graph we can perform. Getting a subgraph, we have done that. Now union of two graphs. We have two graphs, and if we join them, there should be some new graph being created. Okay, given two graphs G and H, the union of the two graphs create a single graph which may have multiple connected components. Okay, let me do this. We will having the getting subgraph we have done. Now we will be having the composition. Okay, let me do the composition of the graphs. Okay, union of the graph. Firstly, we were working on the union function. So what is the union is saying that I am plotting one graph for you. Okay, I plotted a graph. Okay, this is another graph. One graph is this, another graph is this. You can see everybody two graphs. One graph is this and another graph is this. I want to do the union of this graph. So I have done the union. You can see two graphs here. Okay, these are the two graphs, but in a single map. They are not connected because no single nodes are common between them. If any nodes was common in between them, then we have joined it. This is disconnected graph, but it is a single graph. This is a union. For union, we use the union function. So write down the union function. There's only two lines. Write it down fast. This was the simple. We have created two graphs, G and H, and we have to do the union. Write it down fast. Hope it's being done, everyone. Now moving on to the further steps. Composition. Okay. What does the composition do? It will result in a single graph with two connected components. We will see that how it works like composition. Running this. Okay, I'm creating two graphs. These are the two graphs of mine. Firstly, I will create one graph. It's visible to everyone. Okay, one graph. Then I am going to plot the H graph, and I want to compose it. Okay, you can see a joint graph has been created. A joint graph has been created. You can have these. Want the definition, you can have it from this. It will be a single component subgraph. You can see, or the union of that graph. You can see. Composition is nothing than if we have something in common, then it is called in composition of that graph. Write down. Okay, Anushka has questioned me. Ki, what is the line? Okay, Tamanna. Anushka, you have seen that label one. I have already told you when I was having the basic of that. I was telling you, and I'm closing the screen for a live while. This is the basic one. When I told you I have plotted a graph with and without label here. So with label, you can see there was okay. I will tell you what is the with and without label. Anushka, if you don't use with label, the graph will look like this. If you use with label is equal to 1, your graph will be look like this. Hope it's clear, Anushka. And Tamanna, what is this of the subplot? This function, we are just passing the value only in the subplot. You can see we are passing the value x and y and some values. You can have this study from the help section if you want to have explore more. So we are done with this, and okay. Can I have 1-2 more functions before the break? Complement. The complement is what? I will tell you with an example. What is the complement? If we have, this is the, okay, these are the, this is one of the graph. This is disconnected graph. If I want to create a complement of this, I'm labeling is also, okay. If I want to have the complement of this graph, this will be the complement of the graph. The edges which are being connected will be becoming disconnected. The edges that are connected will be disconnected, and disconnected will be connected, vice versa. Okay, good, Vishaka. Okay, next we will be seeing that how to plot this. Okay, complement of graph is same. We use the function like complement. Okay, complement of this. You can see. Firstly, this was the graph. I plotted the complement of it. It looks like this. Original graph is this. Okay, original graph is, and the complement of that graph is this. Okay, hope it's being clear. Write this code. The complement of the code. Written. And if any graph become like directed, if it's undirected, I want graph G. You can see no direction is there. If I want there should be direction. So I can use two directed function to make it directed one. Now you can see a direction also. Okay, write this also. To make the function graph directed, we can use two functions. And again, if I want to make it undirected, then there is a function called to. Write it down fast. Hope it's clear. Ekant, what you want to ask? 1, 3. What you want to ask? 1, 3. Where did you want to ask? Ekant, I didn't got your question, beta. Tell me again. Write it down fast. Hope you my voice. No one is responding in the chat box. Ekant, I want your question. I'm not getting your question. Hope everyone has done with this. You can reply by yes or no, anything. We are about to finish with this class. Will we be giving you? Okay, Bhavya, thank you. Okay, that is clear now. Any doubts? Any doubts before leaving for the break? Any doubts? You can have it. After the break, we will be having the 1-2 more functions of that. Okay, Bhavya, no? Okay, thank you. Such so nice of you. Implementing Nijastra, we will be seeing yes problem. We will be manually doing the problem. Then we will be doing using this network X function. Okay, Vichaka. Okay, anybody, any doubts? Okay, Tavishak, ma'am, please explain is directed. Is directed or two directed? It's two directed. We are changing into direct graph to into directed, undirected directed graph and to undirected to undirected. This one. It's changing to undirected graph into directed. What is it's doing? If we have graph like this is undirected or directed, Tavishi? This graph is directed or undirected? Tavishi, I want you in the response chat. Tavishi, I want more chat box, please. Tavishi, can you hear? Undirected. If I want to make this graph as directed, so I will be using two directed. Okay, hope it's being cleared, everyone. Ma'am, handing over to ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. I think we should wind up the session here now, as participants have no
Okay.
doubts, so they can be back at 12:30. So we will end this meeting here now.
Okay, Tanesh, I will be a little slow. Okay. Next time, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, we will be joining at 12:30 then?
Yes, 12:30 sharp, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you can leave the meeting, ma'am. Thank you so much. And participants, you are requested to join the next session by 12:25, so that the session should be started by 12:30. So all the participants do join at 12:25. So I'll be ending the meeting now, so all the participants can leave the meeting now. So thank you so much, ma'am.
My pleasure, ma'am. Okay.
देखो तुम मेरा आवाज कर रहा तुम्हारा